watcher, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ian, this is the Essential Handyman. Today I'm gonna take you through the process of getting a free battery powered smoke alarm. Now, I know times are hard at the moment, they don't appear to be getting any easier. People are struggling all over the place, trying to make ends meet, pay fuel bills, etc. And as we enter into the winter months, it's just gonna get colder and more expensive. Let me show a way of just saving you a few quid and showing you how to get a free smoke alarm. Okay, we've all got on, these are the offending items. They're on the ceiling. When the batteries start to go, you'll get an audible beep, which will, maybe one beep every 2 or 3 minutes. All you need to do is take this thing off the ceiling, bring it down, turn it over and have a look at the details on the back. Now, these battery smoke alarms are meant to last 10 years. Now we can see from this, we are currently September 2023. This battery is meant to last till July 2026. So this battery that's meant to last 10 years has only just lasted me 7 years. Now I've got to go out and buy another one of these. Well, I shouldn't have to buy another one for another 3 years. So what I do, I phone up the manufacturer, in this case Angel Eye. They will ask, tell them that there's an issue with the battery. They will ask for the batch number, which I believe is that number there, lot to production, and that will know when it's made, and they'll know that it's meant to last till 2026. They'll normally say they're very sorry, and they'll send you another one in the post. And what you do, it's almost identical, slightly different, but you get a new fire alarm, new smoke alarm, and this one should last till March 2034. Now, if that lasts till March 2034, I have no problem buying a new one. But if it goes before, March 2030 or something, I'll be on the phone to Fire Angel saying the same thing. So there you go, quick little tip on how to save some money in these turbulent times where everyone's struggling to make ends meet. Only a little thing may save you. You've got 2 smoke alarms, might save you £50. Both of mine have gone within 2 months of each other. So I've got 2 smoke alarms sent through by Fire Angel, and this is about the 2nd or the 3rd time I've done this. So try and save your pennies and stay safe out there. Cheers, bye.